But for a long time, if you wanted to nest selectors in CSS, you'd have to reach for a CSS preprocessor like SASS. But after a CSS update earlier this year, you can do this now directly in your CSS files without any third-party setup. So if I wanted to target anything with a class of field as well as anything with a class of btn as two separate selectors inside a form, I can just nest them like this, whereby we nest the child class selector inside the parent one, just like we would using something like SASS. Now, if you want to nest element selectors and pseudo selectors, we have to prefix those with an ampersand like this. And in the case of pseudo selectors, you need to remove the space after the ampersand because pseudo selectors shouldn't have a space before them. So this would be the same as writing a selector like this one. You'd also have to use this ampersand and remove the space if you want to combine a nested selector to the parent one. So this says select any form element with a class of auth rather than select any element with a class of auth inside a form element. All in all, a big win for CSS fans, I think.